County jury found a former corrections officer not guilty of charges connected to breaking a man's neck inside the county jail.
Today's verdict comes 2.5 years after that incident was caught on jailhouse surveillance cameras. News 5 investigator Scott Knoll has been on this case since then.
And he has reaction now to today's verdict tonight from Elyria.
The jury deliberated about 5 hours over the course of 2 days here before finding former Lorain County Corrections Officer Brian Tellier not guilty of all charges connected to what happened inside the county jail back in May 2023.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Brian Tellier, not guilty of felonious assault.
A Lorain County jury finding Brian Tellier's use of force justified and reasonable in the incident that broke a man's neck inside the jail. Tellier's defense didn't dispute the jailer's actions caused serious physical injury to that man, Jeff Fry, instead arguing to the jury that Tellier acted reasonably. Video shows Fry appear to turn away from Tellier as he escorted Fry through an area of the jail. Tellier testified he feared Fry, who he described as drunk and agitated, would try to escape through an open door, and that he grabbed Fry's arm in an attempt to regain control, then fell. In the process, investigators say Fry's head and face hit the base of a wall, breaking his neck and leaving Fry with permanent spinal cord damage. After the verdicts, Tellier's attorney said jurors got it right.
There was potential risk of escape and all that. So, I think once you take all of that into consideration and you break down the video into smaller portions, you can see what the jury considered, and that was our job, was to point that out.
The jury also found Tellier not guilty of 2 counts of tampering with records connected to reports he filed about the incident. Tellier admitted what he wrote didn't match the video, but denied intentionally falsifying the records to cover up his actions. After the verdicts, Tellier declined comment, citing other pending litigation. That includes separate charges of endangering children connected to a child ingesting THC-infused gummies back in February. Tellier pleaded not guilty in that case. He also faces a federal civil rights lawsuit filed by Jeff Fry, in which Fry is seeking $40 million. In Elyria, I'm News 5 investigator Scott Knoll.